Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Call Akif, the excellent student of my sir. Please come, Akif.
फोकस कर मुंह फोकस कर.
Good evening to Honorable JP sir and all my dear friends. My name is Mohammad Akif Masood. I come all the way down from Shyambaza. I am in 12th standard now. Being a student of Beton National Institute of English Language, I am only too glad today on this productive day. First of all, wish you a very prosperous birthday, sir. May God bless you. I am not going to take your much time during my speech. Let's start. Today, I would like to introduce with the most realistic word or thing which is called hard work in education. Hard work is the most important key to success. Achievements without hard work are impossible. An ideal person can never gain anything if they sit and wait for a better opportunity to come. The person who is working hard is able to gain success and happiness in our life. Nothing is easy to be achieved without doing any hard work. The Edison was working for 21 hours a day and he sleeps only for 2 or 3 hours a day on his laboratory table with his book as his pillow. The first Prime Minister of India, late Pandit Nehru, he was working for 17 hours a day and there were no holidays on his calendar. The Mahatma Gandhi ji worked hard ceaselessly day and night and he won freedom for his country. The hard work is a price that we pay for success in life. Our JP sir every now and then says English is very important in our life. Therefore sir says color is red because of hemoglobin but my color is red because of English. None but JP sir is the teacher who wants to make his children heroes. Sir, I like your teach. You are counted and one of the best teachers. When I came here, I was not acquainted with anything in English grammar. And I even did not know what the voice is. But after I came here, my English has improved so much from before. I count myself lucky to be the student of Beton National Institute of English Language. Whatever I have spoken, the whole credit goes to none but our JP sir. He motivated us all the time. I cannot thank you sir enough for this beautiful gift, and would you like to know this gift is English. The teaching technique of sir is so different and no one can defeat him because he turns boring chapter to hilarious. He taught me not only English but also how to survive whole life. I thank sir from bottom of my heart. I also want to thank those who acquainted me with JP sir. That's all. Thank you.